And okay, aloha mai kākou. Welcome to ʻAʻA ʻŌLELO, our Hawaiian language class. Today is kala evalu o keke mapa and po'alua, and we're going to talk about ʻOpaʻa 11, Mumi kumakahi. Okay, here's our agenda for those of you who are new. Pretty much we do the same thing every class, the same kind of order. You can just look at it real fast. Okay. And again, aloha mai kākou e nā haumana. Welcome again to our class. This is how we start our class. We have, if you can type in the chat that your answer to these three questions. Owai koinoa, what is your name? Noho oi ihea, where do you live? And then our random question of the week is Heaha ko ʻoihana moemoeā, what is your dream job? Okay. You may be living your dream job now or working there, but if you had a dream job, what would it be? Or what did you want to be when you were younger? Okay. So aloha mai kākou, o wau o Kahanuola Solatorio, noho au I ke walo uka, ma oahu, and my dream job was to be a chef.
Aloha mai kākou, o nui nui ko'u inoa. Noho au I ke walo uka, ma papakolea. And my dream job was to be an interior designer.
Okay. And if you know the hula, dance along, ready, and go. Ahela nani mahawaiine, ahela nani mahawaiine, na uoi, na uoi, na uoi ke kumu, a o wau no kau hau mana. Aloha, hea hi kākou. Okay, so we had some jobs coming in. Lena Ala, can you read your job, please?
O kanaka kia moe ko'u ʻoihana moemoeā.
And what does that mean?
My dream job is to be a sleeping person.
To sleep all day. Okay, then we had interior designer, singer, CEO, yeah. Dolphin trainer, I like it. Social studies teacher, farmer, acrobat, oh, choke. Okay, thank you for everyone who told us what your dream job is. Okay. All right, so here's our loina, or our values. I'm gonna call on a few of our new haumana. These are the values that we practice in this class. If you can just turn on your mic and read for us. We're gonna start with Carrie. Aloha, Carrie.
Aloha.
Aloha, can you just read the first one, please? And
Hi. Aloha kekahi I kekahi. Love one another. We are an ʻOhana.
Okay, so perfect. I mean, just a value you should live every day. Can we have Shan, if you can read for us, please? This one.
I think that's me.
Yeah. Oh, there's two Shans. We'll do, yeah.
Oh, sorry.
No, Shannon, right, you're good. And then Shannon.
Ho'ihi aku, ho'ihi mai.
And that means?
Be respectful on camera and in the chat.
Awesome, thank you. Just another rule for us. And then Shan, just plain Shan.
E kulia I kanu'u. Strive to be the very best you can be.
Okay, mahalo. And then lastly, I would ask Lena Girl, but are you driving?
No, I'm not. I'm parked.
Okay, perfect. You want to read the last one for us? Or can you see it?
Oh my goodness. This one is speaking to me. ʻAʻa ʻŌLELO, mai hila hila. Dare to speak. Don't be shame in class.
Yes, so yeah, again, dare to speak. There's no need to be shame. We're all here to help and support each other. And we don't want to make anyone feel embarrassed. So yeah, that's a good rule for us in this class. Okay, let's move on to our ʻOlelo, or oli eho mai, asking our kupuna for wisdom. So wherever you're at, just sit up tall. We're going to be asking our kupuna to be with us during this class. And yeah, you want to start us?
Somebody ready to get
Yeah, I got her.
No, you start us.
Okay, ready? E ho mai ka ike mai luna mai e. O nā mea huna no eo. O nā mere. E ho mai. E ho mai. E ho mai e a. E ho mai. Ka ike mai luna mai e. O nā mea huna no eo. O nā mele. E ho mai. E ho mai. E ho mai e a. E ho mai. Ka ike mai luna mai e. O nā mea huna no eo. O nā mele. E ho mai. E ho mai. E ho mai e. Okay, perfect. So our kupuna are here with us in this space wherever we're at. Okay. Again, I'm just sending you the links for today's class. If you guys want to check out the slides and whatever else, you guys can do that on your own. Okay, so I had a lot of questions. I know we're in our 10th class, but some of our new haumana were like, I'm a beginner. I don't really know what's going on. Is it okay if I still join? And it's totally fine. Each class is simple enough where you don't really need to know what we did before. It helps, but we kind of go over and review it before we start a new structure. So, okay, so everyone who's new, Carrie, Shan, Lina, you guys are fine, okay? We'll just get through this together. Just a quick announcement before we get started with our review. We're doing a Hoa Penny Kaliki Maka, and I'm gonna have Kavena, if you can turn on your mic and introduce yourself, please.
Aloha, everyone. My name is Kavena. I have a company called Pili Paper Co. I just started it up, but basically I love to make cards. I'm from Maui, but I currently live on Oahu, and cards have been the way that I communicate with my grandparents, mainly. We talk on the phone, 2, 3, 4 times a week, but cards are the things that I cherish, and I look forward to getting in the mail from them. My grandma used to make them for me growing up, and so now it's kind of come full circle where I'm making them not only for them, but in general. And so for me, it's finding a nice balance between local culture, things that I just think look cute and look nice to send, and really just touching up on a memory that other people can relate to.
Yeah.
And so I just started it. Yeah, here you go, Jonah. That's basically it. This is the Christmas cards you see in front of you.
So we're teaming up with PD Paper Co. and Kavena is my classmate, my high school classmate. But we're gonna make a Christmas pen pal activity. So all of our Eho'opili mai ʻOhana on Google Classroom and on Instagram, we're just asking you to register wherever you are. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna send you one of these cards down here, or maybe a few more options, yeah, and give you a name of one of your fellow haumana, and you're just gonna write to them whatever kind of letter you want. Try and include as much Hawaiian. This is kind of old school, but I mean, Kavena loves it. I love it too. It's just something that we need to bring back, I think. So, yeah, thank you, Kavena. Thank you, PD Paper Co. If you guys want to register, please go to the Hoa Penny Kaliki Maka link. It's a Google form in the chat. Okay. Reviewing last week. Let's watch the video first, and this is from my favorite, Carly.
Aloha mai kākou o Kaili Ko'oinoa. Aia ka honu maloko o ke kai. The turtle is in the ocean. Aia ka papa'i maloko ka pupu. The crab is in the shell. Aia ka pelehu maloko ko'u opu. The turkey is in my tummy. Aia ka mo'onui nā nuholani. The alligator or crocodile is in Australia. I don't exactly know if that's where they actually live, but that's where it's living now. Aia ka enuhe maloko ka puki kamali'i o polole ka enuhe. The caterpillar is in the kids' book, The Very Hungry Caterpillar. Ahuho.
So cute.
Oh, so cute.
Thank you, Carly. Okay, so our question that we learned last week was about ʻAʻa, which is your location sentence. So we didn't get to this question, but let me just say it for you. E hopi ni mai, repeat after me. ʻAʻa ʻoi ihea.
Aya oi ihea.
So that's asking what?
Where are you?
Where are you? Okay, so in the chat, if you guys can all type in your answer, ʻAʻa au ma, you can put where your city, your state. In English is fine too. You can put your country, your house, yeah, whatever you guys whatever you're comfortable sharing. Okay, so we got ʻAʻa au ma kane ohe, ʻAʻa au ma koʻu hale, ʻAʻa au ma koʻu makeke, papa makeke, yep. ʻAʻa au ma ka hale I kaimuki, perfect. Okay, good. So this is a good review from last week. ʻAʻa au ma kaimuki, ma ka kilo, koʻu hale, manokalani po, hi auntie here. Okay, good. So that's a good practice of what we learned last week. And then also, hi auntie. Anyone have a dog? Raise your hand if you have a dog. Okay, so this is kind of what we went over last week, talking about animals. So I hope you might ʻAʻa ihea,
Aya ihea.
ka'ilio.
Ka'ilio.
So where is the dog? Okay, so talking about your dog right now, can you guys answer ʻAʻa ihea ka'ilio with ʻAʻa ka'ilio ma, wherever he's at, or he or she, wherever they're at. Okay, ʻAʻa ka'ilio ma waho ka hale, the dog is outside of the house. Good. ʻAʻa ka'ilio ma ane'i, the dog is here. ʻAʻa ka'ilio ma kaumana, yeah, kaumana. ʻAʻa ka'ilio ma ko'u hale, or ko'u hale. Good. Okay, these are good practice answers. ʻAʻa is actually really simple. If you think about it, it's just ʻAʻa ka thing, ma, wherever they're at. Okay, so remember that as we move into our sample sentences. Carly, no more. Stop, Carly. No. Okay, so let's review what we learned last week. Here's our question. ʻAʻa ihea nā holoholona.
Aya ihea nā holoholona.
Okay, so we're going to translate these sentences. Try do all 5. You can do however much you can. So you're translating them in the chat. Please put it to private so no one can see your answers. I'll give you about 1.5 minutes. So the sentences are ʻAʻa ka puaʻa mahilo.
Aya ka puaʻa mahilo.
Oh, number 2.
Aya ke kilape ma ka Honolulu Zoo.
Okay, ʻAʻa ka moʻo ma luna o ka paia.
Aya nā pulelehua ma ka hale o maʻomaʻo.
And ʻAʻa ke kohola ma ke kai ma Aotearoa. Okay, so I'll give you guys 1 minute, maybe 1.5 minutes to translate. And if you don't know, just guess or sit back, relax, whatever. But
you have to check if it's right over there.
yeah, I'm gonna call on a few of you to volunteer to read your answers. You can also look on vehevehe.com for help if you need help translating the words. Oh, reef, is that reef? Pulelehua is close to turkey, but it's something else. Something that flies. Good, you guys. Good, Erika. Erika, you cheated, yeah? You looked at it before, yeah? I'm not going to send out the link anymore early, so you're not.
Oh, I did not. How dare you? Gonna besmirch my name.
I'm just joking. Oh, yes. Thank you, Kealohi. This is another link for Hilo's version of Vehevehe, and it actually is really good because it has all the different, what's it called, entries all in one place. So you can check that one out too. Okay, we're coming down to 20 seconds. A lot of you are down at the end. Hey, Haleaka, I never even see you. Hey, Haleaka. Oh, she's standing on the other screen, that's right. Okay, so let's see. Anyone wanna volunteer to read for us their answers? You can raise your hand or I'll just call on you. Again, we're just trying to get everyone to speak at least once in the class. Let's start with Cousin Tammy. You're gonna read the first one, the Hawaiian, and then your English.
See, you made me nervous.
No worries.
Aia kapua o Mahalo. The pig is in Hilo.
Yeah, thank you. Cousin Sky Wong, number 2.
Aia ke kilape maka Honolulu Zoo. The giraffe is in the Honolulu Zoo.
Perfect, thank you. Solana, number 3.
The lizard is on the wall.
Perfect. Aya kamo'o maluna o kapaya, thank you.
Thank you.
Let's have Auntie Hea, or Cousin Hea, sorry. So we call each other cousins, so, because my mom's like, don't call them auntie. They don't want to be called auntie. Yeah.
The butterflies are on the green wall.
The green wall or the green?
The green, I'm sorry, the greenhouse.
Greenhouse, yeah. So the butterflies are in the greenhouse. I know it sounds like turkey, but pulelehu is butterfly. Okay, and then the last one, let's have kapo.
The whale is in the ocean in Aotearoa.
Perfect. The whale is in the ocean in Aotearoa. Good job, everyone. Okay, let's try our next set of questions. So what would this be asking? Type your translation in the chat. What would this be asking right here? Aya ihea o kumukahanuola. Pretty simple. But what do you guys think that means? Yeah, easy. Okay, what does that mean? Cousin April Okamoto, what does that mean?
Where is Kumu Kahanuola?
Perfect. Okay, so I here o kumukahanuola. And then how would you say, where is student cousin Kathy? Type that in the chat. Yolani, no, not where Kumu stay. It's where kumukahanuola.
I got that.
Okay, good. So Aya Ihe or student cousin Kathy. So these answers, let's try again. Again, if you're just joining us, you never heard what Aya is before, you can still pretty much guess what these mean. Okay, so the first one, Aya o kumukahanuola ma Disneyland. Number 2.
Aya o kumukahanuola ma ke kahakai o Waikiki.
Okay, Aya o kumukahanuola ma Luna o Mauna Kea.
Aya o student cousin Kapi ma ka hale inu pia.
And then the last one, student cousin Cappy is inside of the red car. It's kind of hard, but let's see what you guys can come up with. Okay, 1.5 minutes while we listen to some. Yeah, Aloha. Look, student cousin Crappy. I like it. Student cousin Crappy, student cousin Crappy.
It's the spell check, that's why, right?
Yeah, it's autocorrect.
Oh, okay. I'm assuming.
Nope, someone else wrote it. I guess it's real. Look, Aya o Hohanao Kapi. I like it. Ivy. Hohanao is cousin. I think it's SCC. We'll use that from now on. SCC. Okay, 3 seconds. Let's start with Ivy. You want to try number 1?
So translating.
Can you read the Hawaiian first and then?
Aia o kumu kahanuola ma Disneyland. Kumu kahanuola is at Disneyland.
Perfect, thank you. Estrella, you want to try number 2? Sorry, I think you're... Estrella, your mic... Oh, there.
Yeah, there we go. I was pressing on the chat for some reason. Okay. Aia o kumu kahana or nuola make kahakai o Waikiki, and kumu kahanuola is at the beach or Waikiki Beach, I guess. Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah. Good job. Let's go to the second page. We'll never get to go yet. Bianca, can you do number 3?
Yeah. Aia o kumu kahanuola ma luna o Mauna Kea. Kumu kahanuola is on Mauna Kea.
Perfect. Thank you. We're going to have Kealohi, if you can do number 4.
Aia o student cousin Cappy, aka SCC, Makahale Inupia. Student cousin Cappy, aka SCC, is at the bar. She's at Pipeline, cuz.
Yeah, she's at all the bars.
Rumors, nah.
She's not actually an alcoholic. It's just fun to say she's an alcoholic.
Yeah, I'm not.
Okay, and number 5, let's have Erika.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
So student cousin Cappy is inside of the red car. Student cousin Cappy maloko ka ula ula.
Ka'a, yeah. Maloko o ke ka'a ula ula. Yeah. Okay, and then the red car is outside of the bar.
Cheering.
Okay, so good review, everyone. Thank you. That was actually really quick. That's probably the fastest review we ever did. Good job. Okay, so this week's lesson is about Nā ʻOihana.
Nā ʻOihana.
Okay, and that is your occupations. Okay, so kind of, you know, when you were younger, you were always asked what you wanted to be when you grew up. So this is just a continuation of those two things, or those questions. Okay, so we have 2 ʻōlelo no ʻEau. So you're going to type in the chat what these 2 ʻōlelo no ʻEau mean to you and how does it relate to your life. So the first one, let's have Iolani. The Telolani, can you read the first one, the Hawaiian and the English?
Uku kahana, uku kaloa'a. Little work, little gain.
Okay, so that's our first ʻōlelo no ʻEau. And Ka'imiona can you read the second one?
Yes, mai maka'ui kahana, maka'ui kamoloa. Don't be afraid of work, be afraid of, sorry, there's airplane, laziness.
No worries. Okay, so how do these 2 ʻōlelo no ʻEau relate to your life? Okay, so I'll go with the first one. Uku kahana, uku kaloa'a. You guys can type your answers in the chat while we talk. I guess for me, it's just you reap what you sow. Whatever amount of energy or whatever amount of work you put into something, that's what you're gonna get from it. Okay, so if you go at something with laziness or, you know, with a half-butt attitude, then you're gonna get that same results. Okay, and then what does this one mean to you?
I guess the same thing. Don't be afraid to work. I'm a worker. I'm not afraid to work, and I hate lazy people.
And you're looking at me. Why? I'm a worker as well. Okay, I guess too, it relates to us because, well, for this ʻEhoʻopili mai thing, like, I'm going hard with it because I just want ʻŌLELO Hawaiʻi to live. So that's why I'm doing so much things with ʻEhoʻopili mai on Instagram and on here, just because that's my passion, you know, and I'm not gonna go half-ass for ʻŌLELO Hawaiʻi. I'm just gonna go full ass. Wait, whatever, you know what I mean. Okay, so yes.
Oh my.
So that's how it relates to me. Here's some other things that we have. Work hard and don't fear making mistakes. Put 100% into everything. Run them hard. Love it. Okay.
Yard.
All right, so let's get to our lesson, everyone. So we're going to start off with some vocabulary words. Let's, and this is where I want audience participation. Okay, so I'm gonna actually have you guys type your answers in the chat. If you can turn it on private again. I'm gonna show you, highlight the picture, and from this terms on this left-hand side, you're going to choose one of the 8. Okay, so what is this first one? If you don't know, just sit back and enjoy, because yeah. All right. Sky. Not in English, Sky. Sky, we know what it is in English. Hello. Yeah, if you don't know, put IDK. That's totally fine. Okay, you know what, Sky? What is it?
It is kamea kuke.
Good. I don't always call people out. Well, I do actually, but Mary. Okay, Lena Ala, what is this next one? Yes, it's a kumu, but it's a more specific type of kumu.
So kamea kuke, what does it mean?
So mea means thing, and kuke means to cook.
Okay.
Yeah. Lena Ala, you want to try this one?
Ka polopeka.
Good. And what does that mean?
Professor.
Professor. Okay, thank you.
Wow.
That used to be my nickname when I was growing up, yeah.
No.
Yes?
Oh, in English, yeah.
Yeah,
English.
professor, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, next can we have Carly?
Yeah, that one's ke kanaka kinai ahi.
Good job. So kinai means to extinguish, and ahi is fire, so the fire extinguisher, whatever. Okay, let's have Malulani. Can you do number 4 or this one right here?
Oh God, geez, I have to guess. Ka mahi ai?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, mahi ai is your farmer. Okay, can we have Mahia? Can you do this next one, or you can just take a guess out of the 4 that we have? Kimi, yeah.
Okay, I don't know if I'll guess it right like her, but a judge, maybe Ke Kanaka Akea Kamai.
Close. That's this next one.
Oh.
Okay, one more time.
Kaluna Loi Loi.
Yeah.
Oh,
good.
yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Oh shoot. Okay. So Luna Loi Loi. Loi Loi means to judge, and Luna is like, the head or the above everyone. So exactly. Luna Loi Loi. Okay. So we got Ke Kanaka Akamai is your scientist. And Tuna Kanzakapi, you want to try this one?
Kelalani.
Kelalani, that is your astronaut. And then lastly is Pailaka, which kind of sounds like pilot a little bit. So Pailaka. You guys know I'm not going to move it.
So what about policemen?
We're getting there, Mary.
Oh, okay.
Just wait. Okay, so our first sentence. E ho'opili mai. Make au.
Make au.
E lilo I.
E lilo I.
Okay, so make au e lilo I means I want to become. Okay, make is want. O is I. E is like to when you show another verb. And then lilo I is become.
Become, okay.
Okay. So let's try this example. He hakau e lilo ai. What will you become? E ho'opili mai. He hakau e lilo ai.
He hakau e lilo ai.
What will you become? Okay, so if you guys can take a guess using this word, if you can write your answer in the chat of this, just fill it out, Maka'olelo Hawaiʻi.
Privately?
Privately, please. I know, kind of rush this one. Thanks, Carly, for reminding me. I rushed this unit, but so there's some mistakes, but you guys know, you guys get the gist.
So did you correct it?
No, because once I send it out, I can't correct it again. So, sorry.
So what was wrong?
No, just these two don't match up. What's the title on this? You guys get the gist. Okay. Can we have, who didn't get to go yet? Hannah, you want to try?
Makemake au e lilo I ke kanaka kinayahi.
Perfect. Okay, you know what? That actually works. You don't need the ka'i, but how you said it was totally fine. So you don't need the ke kanaka. You can just do kanaka kinayahi. Okay, thank you. All right, so let's try some sample sentences. So with these 5, what you're gonna do is choose 2, 1 Hawaiian and 1 English, and you're just gonna translate them in the chat. Again, privately, so you're not giving your answers to your fellow cousins. Because we got some cheaters in here, I know.
So your classmates.
My classmates, Nā ʻAʻA and Kavena, they cheat on their homework. It's a joke.
Yeah, it's a joke.
He's over it. Nā ʻAʻA's like, bye.
Bye, I quit.
Bye, bitch.
I will fail before I cheat, and I have failed a lot. So let me just say.
Okay, and then we're gonna try and call on some people that didn't get to go yet. So don't think you got away from me, because I know who didn't go yet. Okay, who didn't go yet?
So if they don't show their face, they don't want you to call on them. I
Yeah,
don't think.
probably.
Yeah.
But it's okay. I'll call on the guy.
Call on Winston Cabana.
Okay. Winston Cabana, you ready? You need some more time or?
Sorry, hold on real quick.
Okay.
Never mind. I'm not needed anymore. I can do the first one.
Okay.
Oh, or the second one. Sorry.
No.
Make au e lilo I kanaka kinaiahi, and I want to become a firefighter.
Good job. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's try someone else. Let's try Kaulana. Yeah, you just turn on your camera. Perfect.
Shoot. Which one?
Whichever. Which one you like?
Okay, I'll do the. I want to be a professor.
Okay.
Make au e lilo I ka polopeka.
Perfect. Thank you. Good.
Wow.
Let's do. Who didn't go yet? Kaliaka. You like to try this one right here?
Make au e lilo I luna loi loi. Or puinavo. Was that a judge?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
And then let's have Akiko. You want to try the last one?
I want to become a chef. No, someone. Oh, I want to become a chef. Make au e lilo I mea kuke.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mahalo.
Okay. So, we can skip this one because we did it already. All right, let's do another round of this. Let's do speed round. I'm just gonna call on you and you just guess the first thing that comes to your mind. Ready? Okay, Shannon Wright. Even if it's wrong.
Keikoka.
Okay. No. I'll just give it to you. Maka'iku. Next, Lina Girl. Lina.
He's looking.
Oh, it's wrong too. It's supposed to be Maka'iku. Is she talking to me?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay.
I don't know. Is that a kumu? Oh. Thanks for the help, Kikoka.
No.
I originally said Kikumu Haole, but that's not nice. So I'm not it looks like a holy teacher, that's why.
No, it's a businessman. I know the emojis.
Oh, businessman.
So there you go.
Oh, okay.
Let's have Haley Cheney. What's this one? Don't ask Carly.
Why would I ask Carly? I taught Carly what she knows, so
Nah, just kidding.
You did the lesson already, apparently.
Honestly, I do. Kumu, I don't know what that one is.
Just guess. Coca.
Is it Coca? No,
No.
it's not. That's doctor. Oops. Kanaka ʻOihana? ʻOihana?
No. Okay. 3 for 3. Okay, next one. So it's a maka'i, which is a policeman or policewoman. Okay, let's have Lehua. You want to try this one?
Ka mea kahaki'i.
Good job. Okay, so that's your artist. Kahaki'i means is a picture or a draw, and then mea is the thing. Okay, let's try this one. It's like supposed to be Lady Gaga, so think about that. Okay, shut Kapo.
Lady Gaga.
Well, what her profession is.
Oh, kapu'ukani.
Yeah, kapu'ukani.
Which is
your musician or your singer.
Any now?
Yes, yeah.
Kamea kahaki'i, do people ever say like kapo'e kahaki'i, or is it always mea?
You can do po'e too.
Oh,
I use mea, but po'e is fine. So you can do po'e kuke, chef as well, yeah. Okay, let's try student cousin Kapi. What is this one?
Kamea.
No.
Kamakanika.
Yeah, so it's a mechanic, mechanica, kind of transliterated to mechanic. This one, let's have Shan. He has 2 choices, and one we already know what it is.
Kamea kākou or kākou.
Kākou, yeah. So that's your secretary, person that writes or types. So the last one is, everyone together now, Kauka.
Okay, Kauka.
So that's your doctor. Okay. Again, if you're following along with your slides on your own, it's probably easier. So you can do the lesson at the same time. All right, so ʻELELO ana au I, that means, what does e ana mean, student cousin Kapi?
Like you're doing it.
No.
Oh.
That you will do something.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Will be doing it.
All right. So ʻELELO ana au I means I will become. Okay, I will become. So when you were younger and you were asked what will you become when you get older, I always said a millionaire. Still working on it, but we'll get there one day. Okay, so ʻELELO ana will become. O is I. I chose the and then ʻOihana is your job. Okay, so let's see our question now. He kākou e hana ana.
He kākou e hana ana.
Okay, so that shows what will you do for your work or what will you do for your job. Okay, so using this one, everyone look at this image right here. Okay, you see he has a paint, there's all that stuff. Okay, which one? Find the word that we have. Okay, and then let's fill in the blank with ʻELELO ana au I. Oh, you guys already got it. Good. Okay, I'm gonna call on Carrie. You wanna try?
Okay. ʻELELO ana au I mea kahaki'i.
Perfect. Okay, so I will become an artist. Thank you. All right, so let's try some of these. So just choosing 2 or 3 or 5, however much you can. Try and translate these in the next minute.
So is ʻELELO ana au I and makemake au ʻELELO I basically like just different ways of saying the same thing?
Well, makemake is the I want to, and then ʻELELO ana is like I will. So it's a little different, but it's, yeah, it could be the same thing, yeah.
Okay.
Because I want to be a millionaire, but I became a teacher. So, you know.
A little different.
It doesn't really work that way. Okay, and as they come in, I'll probably call on the ones that send them in already. So we can move forward with it. Let's have Reef Callahan. No need to turn on your camera. You can just read whatever. Yeah.
He kākou e hana ana. And what you gonna be?
Yeah, what you're gonna be pretty much easy kind. Okay, next let's have Solana. You want to do this one right here? The next one.
Yeah. ʻELELO ana au ʻELELO I puʻukani. I will become a singer.
Yes, that's correct. Sorry, the typing was wrong, but that's what you get when you procrastinate. Okay, so I will become a singer. Good. Ivy, you want to try this next one?
ʻELELO ana au I mekanika. I will become a mechanic.
Good job, thank you. Lindy, you want to try this one?
ʻELELO ana au I makai.
Makai. Yep.
Makai.
Yep. Makai. Good.
Makai. Makai.
So it's kind of like my kai without the I. Makai. Yeah.
Makai. Thank you.
Thank you. And Veronica, you want to try the last one?
Aloha. ʻELELO ana au I ka makaʻikiu.
Perfect. Lilo ana au I ka makaʻikiu. Thank you. We're just zipping through these. All right. No, we're gonna skip this one because it's pretty much the same as our next one. So this is how you would say I am something. I am whatever. Okay, so I hope you mai he ʻoihana au.
He ʻoihana au.
So the ʻoihana is in parentheses because that just shows whatever occupation you currently are. Okay, so for me, I would say he kumu au. He kumu au. I am a teacher. Okay, what would you say?
He kumuau.
Yeah, you can say that. Yeah. So he kumuau, and I can also say he pu'ukani au. I am a musician. Okay, so this one's actually really simple. All you're doing is filling in one thing, and that's the occupation. Okay, so what is this? What occupation is this showing? If you can type that in. Perfect, Erika. How did they know so fast? They cheat. No, they're just following along. They have the slides with them already.
Good.
Whose mic is on? Whose mic is on? Oh. Okay, I think everyone got to speak at least once. If you didn't speak, raise your hand so I can call on you. Oh yeah, let's call on Kavix. You just turn on your mic. What you got?
He pailaka'au.
He pailaka'au. I am a pilot. Okay, so let's. These are all of these ones I didn't give to you, so you're just gonna have to guess. Okay, so let's see what you guys can come up with. My brother is a pilot. That's why that one stuck. Good. Again, if we're moving too fast with you, sorry.
Let us know.
We just gotta go fast because we don't have that much time.
I know, but some of us.
Well, maybe if you didn't. I mean, you know. Hi, Roberto. You're a little late, but hi.
Hi, Roberto.
Aloha, Roberto. Okay, that's the first one. Heaha kauhana. What is your job or where do you work? Let's try this next one. This was actually my mother's previous job. Okay, so if you know what she was before, you know what the answer is. But let's try, who got it correct? No one yet. Oh, Carly, good job. You got it, Carly. Can you read this first one?
Yeah. He kanaka hanai pepe. Oh, I'm a babysitter.
Good job. Okay, so student cousin Cappy was a babysitter for
30 years.
30 years, and she's only 31, so great. Okay, this next one, I'm gonna give this to Auntie Hea because you are this. You are the embodiment of this next one.
I am a Hawaiian-blooded hula dancer, a male hula dancer. Is that Kanaka male or Hawaiian?
Oh no, Kanaka is just person. So
okay,
yeah, hula person or hula dancer, yeah. Or you know what? What else can we say, Auntie, for hula dancer?
Kanaka. Wahine hula? No.
Blank ka'uila.
Keep giving me hints.
Olapa. Olapa, yeah?
Olapa ka'uila, ikane o he, that one.
Yeah, so he olapa'au would be a dancer, yeah?
Oh, ikeau now, kalamai.
Yeah, no worries.
You know, Kauai is so isolated from Oahu.
No, it's a different time zone, yeah, Auntie.
I.
Okay, thank you.
Have to say olapa hula, or can you just say olapa?
You can just say olapa, yeah. But
And that,
both of them work. Hula dancer.
so if you're a different kind of like dancer, like hip hop or something, would you still say olapa?
No, mea, I would just say mea hula hula because olapa is specifically for hula.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Good question. Oh, Deborah, sorry, I never skip you. You want to try this one?
Hi. He lawai'a au.
Perfect. I'm a fisherman. He lawai'a. And then, thank you. And then Shannon Wright, you want to try this last one?
He aha. Looking at my notes. I can't find actor.
Okay, no worries. This one, it wasn't in the thing. You want to try?
Oh.
No, Pu'ukani is a musician.
Oh.
Okay, anyone, you know Sky, you're an actress. What'd you get? You act every morning on our Instagram. Yep, Ka'inyo Nalani. Good. You don't know. No worries if you don't know.
Mea hana kākou. He
Yep.
mea ana. Yeah.
If you don't see her homework on our Instagram, you should check it out. There's so much like filters and
Craziness,
but I love it. Okay, do we have time for this? You guys want to go through these workplaces? We're gonna go past 7:30. If you guys gotta go at 7:30, you guys can leave. Totally fine. But let's just go through these real fast. I'll just give it to you. Okay, so this first one, these are all workplaces, so navahihana. So first you have a ke'ena. Repeat after me, ke'ena.
Ke'ena.
Which is your office. Then you can have outer space, which is levalani.
Levalani.
For your astronauts. This is a schoolhouse. The emojis, I know, kind of weird. Schoolhouse is halekula.
Halekula.
Then you have a hospital, which is, you want to guess?
Yep. Ke hau kapila.
Oh my God, what's going on with me? Ka hau kapila.
Oh, ka hau kapila.
Yep. Okay, and then it's a park, so you're gonna have paka.
Kapaka, okay, and ka mokulele.
Good, mokulele.
Yep. And then
Okay, yep.
I guess the 24-hour 7-Eleven kahale ku'ai.
Yep.
And ke kahua pa'ani, a stadium.
Good job, student cousin Kyle.
Yeah.
Got 'em. Okay, so these are some workplaces, and then quickly through these next ones. If you guys want to screenshot this, you can. Screenshot 5,
like this. 4.
No, that's taking a picture, mother. Screenshot is on your computer.
Oh.
Okay. So let's go through these real quick. You have a bank, Panako. Sounds like bank, not really, but Panako. What is this one?
Church. Kahale pule.
Halepuli. Okay. Then you have Mauna.
Kamauna.
For Mauna Kea, if you're a telescope worker. Okay. Then you have, what is this? I don't even know what this is. Oh, it's a hotel. So a hokele.
Okay, hokele.
Yeah, hokele, hotele, kind of like that. What is this?
Ke kahakai.
Kahakai. Then this one's kind of different. Vahi is a place. Kukulu is construction or to build something. So it's your construction site, Vahi Kukulu.
Kavahi kukulu.
What is this one?
Ke kalaka kinai ahi.
Okay, so your fire truck, forever, if anyone's a fireman out there. And then lastly, Carly, can you tell us what this one was?
It's a post office.
Yeah, it's a post office. So when
Not a music building.
Not a music building. When I looked up post office for the emoji thing, that's what came up. I don't know why there's a horn on it, but hey, it's not a music building. So process of elimination, post office. Okay. So our last one that we're going to learn for today is Mahea oi e hanai. Mahea oi e hanai, which is where do you work? Okay.
Okay.
So we have, good. That's a good one, Erika. I'll get right to it. Okay. So hana'au ma, you can choose between any of these things up here. I work at a hotel, I work at a bank, I work at an office, or because we're distant, a lot of us are working from home, you can say hana'au ma ko'uhale, I work at my house, okay? Or, what do you say? Erika, you can, I'm gonna say I work on my computer. Is that okay? So hana'au ma ko'u or ka'u lolo wila. I work on my computer. Okay. So this one's blank because it's just whatever you guys work. So you guys can fill in wherever you guys at. Ooh, Veronica works at Hawaiian Airlines. Buddy passes. I'll give you an A. Because they're going to Orlando. So, you know. Thanks, Veronica. A+. First class if it's an A+. Okay. Good. I think that's it. Let's I'll let you guys finish typing and then I'll set up the breakout rooms. So we're gonna do some breakout rooms for a little bit. And you're going to be saying, what will you become? What are you? Occupation. And where do you work? Okay, so when we get into our breakout rooms, what we normally do is we have someone facilitate the conversation, and we just talk about what we just learned in the class, okay? So if you have your cameras off, if you can please turn them on when we get into the breakout rooms, it's helpful to see who you're talking to, yeah? But yeah, you're just going around asking each other the questions and answering the best you can. If you don't know it in Hawaiian, you can write it in English, Japanese, Spanish, whatever you guys know. Okay, again, this is ʻAʻa i ʻŌLELO, to be comfortable and to just dare to speak and no be shame, just run them. Just go with it. We'll do 4 in each room?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna get an invitation to join the breakout room. We'll probably do this for about 5 to 7 minutes. Introduce yourself if you're new. If you know each other, then just get to work. Okay, we'll be coming in to visit everyone in a little bit. Have fun. Okay, Sky, hui ho. Hui ho, Veronica. Yep, if you guys gotta go, no worries. All of these. She left. Stacy is with April. I think Lena girl must be driving.
We gotta say, what do we want to become? What do we do? Where do we work?
Okay.
Hi, Kumu, checking on us.
Yeah, I had to go to the most Kolohe group first, you know.
So funny.
This is for Iolani and Kapo, not.
I know. Just put us on the spot.
Maybe.
Wait, is this the humbug group?
Yeah. Totally.
No, this is the fun group. Yeah.
The fun group? Awesome. Thanks for stucking me in here then.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Making us nervous.
Yes.
Okay.
Ooh, tell him what you just said.
Huh?
Tell him what you just said.
LELO ana au I Power Ranger ʻŌLELO.
That was my favorite one too. I had the doll and everything.
Back in the day.
My mom goes, "Wait, she's in Disneyland?" I'm like, "Mother, are you
Here,
kidding?"
look. Let me see if I can take my background off. I have my ears on. I don't know if you can see.
She's in pop-up market.
Yeah, it's ugly back here. It's just deliveries for days. But I wish I was.
Shan, how are you enjoying the class so far? Is it pretty good?
Yes, I like it. I came to one other class, but it was like a few weeks ago, and then I wasn't able to make any till tonight.
No worries.
But yeah, I like it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna check on some other peeps.
So you like try Shan.
What are you? Shoot.
ʻAʻA.
Oh, shoot. ʻAʻA. What are you? I can't teach it. Oh, that was the other one. ʻOihana. Oi.
So, you know how you're a teacher? How would you say, "I am a teacher"?
He kumu au.
Unless you did that already, sorry.
She was asking.
Oh, got it.
Yeah. Hey.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes.
Cool. Oh my gosh.
Aloha.
Genesis, is that you use a different iPad or a different computer?
Yes.
Oh.
I changed my computer. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I called her Roberto first and felt really bad.
Oh, Makokane. Or you Kokane. Okay.
Kokane, Kuukane?
Ka'u, yeah.
Ka'u, Kokane. Okay, I'm an actress. Where is it?
It's not in there, so it's going to be Hanakeaka.
Hanakeaka, aha. Noho. Where is ʻŌIhana au?
Yeah, so he Hanakeaka, he mea Hanakeaka.
Yeah, he Hanakeaka. Aha.
Perfect.
It's all. Erika, you are a music?
Sorry? Oh no, that's Kaukane as well. Yeah. But Kumu, before you go, Kamiona Lani had a question for you about how to say where she works.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm a school counselor, so he ako ho'olelo. No school counselor.
Kumu wa'o. So yeah, that means to counsel. So kumu wa'o.
Oh, okay.
Or you can also do kumu kākou, which is like a support teacher. Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah, awesome. Any other questions?
A puppet. Puppet.
Oh, I don't know, you know. Puppet.
Vehe time.
Yeah, vehe time. It might be.
Papeta ki'ilima.
I like papeta. Yeah, papeta. Yeah, we borrowed the T sometimes, so yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Mahalo, Kumu. Mahalo, student cousin Kathy. Bye.
Don't cheat.
No, I never cheat. I never get caught. I never get caught. Also,
I never get caught.
Cool. Can I ask you something after class?
Yeah, we can wait.
Okay, cool. Shoot, thanks.
Thank you. Unless you want to ask now, because we're gonna go the Kanikapila for a little bit, or
oh shoot, yeah. In that case, I'm so sorry, guys. I sew at home, and it's not like great, but I make things, and like I was wondering, you know how there's a bunch of prizes that you was giving out. Like if you needed any more, I could make like oven mitts or mask or something like that if you think it would be
awesome.
useful.
Yeah.
And I also wanted to send you and student cousin Cappy some for Kalikimaka if it's not sucking up and cheating to get an A.
Where do you live?
She lives in Manoa, so.
Oh, Manoa.
I'm in Moiliili, actually.
Oh, yeah.
Very important distinction. Thank you.
Oh, yeah, we can stop by.
You really? Okay, I can also mail it to you. I don't, you don't have to like come all the way out here.
Okay. Well, yeah, we live right. Well, yeah, we'll figure them out after.
Okay, yeah. I just wanted to like say because it's almost Kalikimaka, and I was like, oh, so
yeah. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see you guys in like 1 minute. Okay.
Okay.
Ai wahana i Waimanalo. Oh, aloha.
So you guys, LELO, yeah, both of you. And Akiko, you too.
Kaulana and Kaulana Ivy.
Yeah.
Hiki ʻŌLELO.
Akiko. You are good, Akiko. Like
Mahalo.
Ai.
Ko ʻŌLELO Hawaiʻi ana me kai.
Noho ai Japana, ai?
Ai.
Noho
Tokyo.
Oh.
Mai kai
ʻoe.
Anu loa.
So he ʻŌLELO ʻoia I ka ʻŌLELO paniolo, a me ka ʻŌLELO kepani ʻŌLELO haole, a me ka ʻŌLELO Hawaiʻi, yeah?
Ai. Wow.
Quadrilingual.
Wow. Complicada. How do you say complicated?
Pakiki. Yeah.
Pakiki.
Yeah.
Pakiki.
You're always confusing words, I'm guessing, yeah? Like, hola. I don't know, you said hola and then in English. In Spanish, it's hello, so yeah. Or no.
Hola.
Hola, yeah.
Because they're so similar sometimes.
Yeah. But thank you for just learning, and we call it lu'u, just diving right in, and yeah. Thank you. Arigato.
Arigato. Mahalo.
Itadakimasu.
Kumu ma ʻŌLELO itadakimasu.
Yeah, itadakimasu. Because I get kanake, so itadakimasu.
There's a whole new David 1 and 2 Mahalo book because the first ones that were translated were done by missionary people. They didn't know the ʻŌLELO well. So now these two Hawaiian people went back, took it from its original writing from Mahalo and redid it. So it's back on the sale now. David Mahalo 1 and 2 from the original documentation written in Hawaiian. Isn't that awesome? So all new knowledge coming out. I'm so behind.
We can find the puke on what, Ulukau or?
Oh, I'm sure it's not, it's like $60 or something, but it's Mahalo 1 and 2. It's like 2 books. Yeah, it's online. It just came out for sale. So, but I just find it, oh boy.
I'm guessing you're done. Yeah, but just wanted to say y'all are my favorites. Okay, bye.
I was talking too much, sorry.
He tells that to everybody.
I do.
You say that to all the women.
Yeah, I do.
And Lena, I like your color of your hair. It's so beautiful.
Mahalo. I was actually in Kaimuki outside of the salon. I just got out. And I looked at the time and I said, oh, I don't like this papa.
Yeah, no, I love it.
I love it.
Multitask. Okay, we'll go back in the room. So see you guys back in there.
Okay.
Mahalo.
Nice to meet you guys. Aloha.
Muted. Hopefully that went well. Yeah.
That was good. Sorry.
Pretty much everyone was in their conversations by the time I got in their room. They're like talking about everything else, but their occupations. So, okay, so it went well. Okay, so let's do a quick picture before we move on, and then we finish with class. Shaka, everyone, smile. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then the second page, just do it again, just in case. 1, 2, 3.
Nice.
Okay, thank you. All right, let's wrap up class, and then we'll do a little bit of kanikapila afterwards if you guys want to stay. So here's your ha'awina. This is, let me send it in the chat one more time. It's just a flip grid, so if you guys aren't used to the flip grids yet, it's just recording yourself so you can hear yourself practice all the Hawaiian. That is ha'awina flip grid. That's the link right there if you guys want to check it out. Okay, and then here's my example. Kind of corny, but you know, I'm corny.
Oh, look.
Aloha and welcome to E Ho'opiri My News. Owo keia o Kahanuola Salatorio. Makemakeo e lilo I kauka. I want to become a doctor. E lilo anau I pu'ukani. I will become a musician. O lilo au he kanaka kinayahi. I became a firefighter. E mahiaia me Hawaiʻi. I am a farmer and a fisherman. Ana au makikahua pa'ani o Aloha. I work at Aloha Stadium. Mahalo for joining us here in E Ho'opiri My News. And mahalo and have a good evening. Oh, okay, you know, we got to make the hobby enough fun so it's not boring. Oh, Mary, I'm not even sharing my screen. Carly! We didn't tell me that earlier, Carly. Oh, whatever. You can watch it on your own. Oh, fine. You're going to watch it? Fine. Carly. F. You get an F. Aloha and welcome to E Ho'opiri My News. Owo keia o Kahanuola Salatorio. Makemakeo e lilo I kauka. I want to become a doctor. E lilo anau I pu'ukani. I will become a musician. O lilo au he kanaka kinayahi. I became a firefighter. E mahiaia me Hawaiʻi. I am a farmer and a fisherman. Ana au makikahua pa'ani o Aloha. I work at Aloha Stadium. Mahalo for joining us here in Mahalo News. And mahalo and have a good evening. Oh, thanks, Carly. Okay. So do your hobby if you can. I'm trying to click it. Okay, so we have a couple things going on our Instagram. Kākou Okula Hawaiʻi. All of our proceeds for the ʻAʻA is going to go to our Kolokaipuni, our emerging schools. So if you guys want to go buy some for Christmas, we have a new color. It's black and gold, so go check it out. Right. So this week, all of the proceeds are going to go to Punaleo Manoa. Next week is Ehunui and Kona. Then we have Kawaikini and Kolokaipuni o Maui. Okay, so this is our new colors. What?
Uh-oh.
Okay. Okay. What's happening? Okay. So yes. We also have our LELO fundraisers. I think we're good though. We got a lot of donations, so thank you.
So tell them what's gonna happen on the 19th.
So on the 20th, we're gonna be delivering LELO to some families in need for Christmas. You know, because of COVID, we just want to give back. That's just our MO this holiday season. So yeah, but we got $750 so far, which is a lot. So we can buy a lot of LELO and stuff like that. So thank you, whoever donated, and yeah. And then finally, thank you, everyone. Next class will be next week, Tuesday. And then I think that's just going to be our Kaliki Maka. The week after, I don't know. We might not have class just because it's Christmas week, but we'll let you know. If we do, it's just going to be like Wala'au. We're just going to talk all in Hawaiian. No slides, just, yeah, potluck, virtual potluck. Would you guys be down for that? Okay, shoots. We'll do that then. And kanikapila. And yeah, so, papa.
Papa. Ahui ho.
Hui ho. If you guys want to stay, we're just going to be singing a few songs, maybe a couple, two or whatever, but yeah.
Christmas songs.
Christmas songs. Can you grab my ukulele? Thanks. Right now. Hui ho. Aloha. If you have questions, please stay behind and you can ask whatever. Except for Cardi.
Can I ask a question?
Are you Cardi? No, yeah, you're good.
No. Sorry.
So rude.
Hey. Akiko, yeah.
Yeah. Theater, do you say hale keaka or only keaka?
Hale hana keaka.
Could you say it again, please?
Hale hana keaka.
Hana?
Yeah. So hana keaka is like to act.
Oh, mahalo.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mahalo.
Any other questions?
Yeah, kumu.
Yo.
Pehea ka ho'olelo financial advice.
Sorry. One more time.
Pehea ka ho'olelo o financial advisor.
Okay. Financial advisor. I think it's Mea Kanaka ʻAʻa Kala. Kanaka ʻAʻa is a counselor. Actually, sorry. Kumu ʻAʻa Kala. So a counselor or a support person for money. Reef, I totally would, but there are children. He had a song request, and yeah, maybe next one. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so we're just gonna sing. We've been doing this for the past couple weeks, so sing along if you can, or hula. Maybe we'll get some hula. Auntie Helani. Oh no, she left. She left. Okay. Okay, let's go. Christmas. I love those J-I-N-G-L-E bells, those holiday J-I-N-G-L-E bells, those Christmas J-I-N-G-L-E, E-E-double-L-S bells, J-I-N-G-L-E bells, dashing, dashing through the snow in the one-horse open sleigh. For the field we go, laughing all the way. Bells and bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. We hurry, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hawaii, Olohi Makau, Ikika Alio Mokai, Ayamana Kula, Ikaka Kabalea, Kandi Kandi Maina Pele, Kandi Kandi Hoewe. Ale ano ka holohona, kamea maka oli oli. Kani kani mele, kani maho maanei. Le ale amako ika holona ika haoli a ho'okahi. Kani kani mele, kani maho maanei. Le ale amako ika holona ika haoli a ho'okahi. Jingle bell. Cheering. Kavena, can you put your... Yay. Kavena, can you put your card info in the chat real fast for Erika?
You know.
Mahalo. What else business is there? Okay. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight. Walking in a winter wonderland, on the way. Here's the bird land. In the meadow we can build a snowman and pretend that he's Parson Brown. We'll say, are you married? He'll say, no man, but you can do the job when you're in town. Later on, we'll use fire as we dream by the fire. Face unafraid, the path that we made, walking in a winter wonderland. Maka is the thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day. That's the island greeting that we send to you from the land where palm trees sway. Here we know that Christmas will be green and bright, the sun to shine by day and all the stars at night. Dum dum dum, Maka is Hawaii's way to say a Merry Christmas to you. I don't know what else yet. Oh, no. Let's go. Iki mai o kanaka loka mai ka ai nā hauan ele mai I Hawaii mena ki a puna hele kani mai nā pele kani oli kani te kani mai nā pele pele kaliki maka e mau maka olu uli ʻAʻa no le hula hula oia no kanaka loka kani mai nā pele kani oli kani ke yo kani mai nā pele pele kaliki maka e ke nui kana piha pono I nā makana mea ho'oholo ya kākou no apau kani mai nā pele kani oli kani te kani mai nā pele pele kaliki maka Hawaiian or Kanakaloka with Santa. I got asked to be Hawaiian Santa for an upcoming like drive-by Kanikopila, and I said no. It was like, unless there's free cookies. But she said no. I was like, okay, no. What is this?
Wait, how does this thing work with the cards again? We put our letter in online, submit it to you, and then you're gonna, like, how does that work? Could you clarify?
Yeah, did you, did you, what's it called? Erika, did you do your Google form? Okay, Alohi, did you fill out the Google form?
I did, and I submitted it.
So what, Kavena, can you explain a little bit?
Yes. Okay. So once we sign up, everyone's putting their address in, and we're gonna pre-address the envelopes and send them to you. So you'll have someone else's letter, and you'll write your letter to that person, and it'll go all over the world.
So no cost to you, just you gotta do the writing part.
In Hawaiian.
In Hawaiian, if you can.
So the one that we filled out on Google Forms, where's that?
That's gonna go to your partner. So you'll get who you write to. Does that make sense? Yeah. Okay. So you'll get your partner's paragraph, and then you just write a personalized letter to them with their information. You know, like, hello, my name is Kealohi. I'm a mermaid, you know, all that stuff. Side note, she's actually a mermaid.
So you guys are going to randomly assign who we get, yeah? Okay.
For Genesis? Navidad. Okay, got it. Yeah. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. Is there a second verse? I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Oh, Yolani. You a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Yeah, that's the moonshine lady. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Mahalo, Genesis.
Thank you, everyone.
Akiko, sorry, I don't know a Japanese one, but I know.
I don't know either. Merry Christmas.
I know.
Only in English.
Chotomate kudasai. Please excuse me. I don't know. Okay, Chapo, I know you like joined in. Yep. Okay, Hawaiian, what were your Christmas luau? The night before Christmas and all through the holidays, singing and dancing and Mama in her mood, Papa in his mama, reading that honey, Sister carried flowers for a lane, rather watch the evening all the day. So the music boys began to play, LELO and you of Hawaiian. The tables are loaded with plenty of cocoa, coffee and salmon, and steaming hot loud. It is not the story until we were born. It was really my heart, he had a Christmas around. Just another flower for the lane, rather much the evil all the day. Soon the music boys began to play, LELO and you of Hawaiian. The tables were loaded with plenty of cocoa, coffee and salmon, and steaming hot loud. We ate a top story until we were born. It was really my fault, he had a Christmas along. How'd you like to spend Christmas on Christmas Island? How'd you like to spend your holidays away across the sea? How'd you like to spend Christmas on Christmas Island? How'd you like to hang your stocking from a great big coconut tree? How'd you like to stay up late like the islanders do? Wait for Santa to sail with your presents in a canoe. If you ever spend Christmas on Christmas Island, you will never stay for every day of Christmas dreams come true. You will never stay for every day of Christmas dreams come true. Hawaiian Santa is the sight to see when he goes surfing into Waikiki. He wears the ball of his big old boot for drinking. I don't even know. Your grass shack. And apple juice and then the apples in the tree. Apple says apples and color of pig. Cocoa palms are sweet. And an apple hand and the apple juice. What's the one guards are rubber? Getting paradise. Hawaiian Santa. I'm over it. I don't even know it. Sorry, Kapo.
That was rough. Look, it says right there, Carly.
Darling, you're rough. Carly,
everyone.
I'm not gonna send you next week's link. If you guys didn't notice yet, the link is the same.
I'll get them from Haley.
No, you won't.
Or I'll just use this link, apparently.
Yeah, I don't really need a send.
Don't beat up on my friend.
Yeah, are you talking about me?
Yeah, you.
Okay. Yeah, I won't. I mean, she won't. Okay,
one more song, and then we have to go.
What is it? What is another Christmas song? Anyone? No cookies, that's why. Duh.
White Christmas.
Jesus. How about Silent Night? I could do Silent Night. Haley, take it.
Aloha. Your turn.
Yolani. Very Mike.
I don't know the words. I only know that part.
Okay. Mary.
What's after that?
Carly.
Luhialani.
That was rough.
I love it.
Okay, in my defense, that was the first time I ever looked at the lyrics.
Are you drunk? What? Okay, one more and then we pop. Oh, Holy Night. Sorry, I'm not Uncle Willie K. Oh, sorry. Anyone? Carrie? So Carrie won our 10,000 follower thing. Did you get it yet? Probably not.
Oh yeah, Karen.
No, not yet.
Should be in maybe today, tomorrow, or
Yeah, I'm excited.
yeah. Haliaka, you have one more request for Christmas? Jingle Bell Rock.
You're doing perfectly fine.
What is anything? Okay. Have yourself a merry little.
That'd be Carly.
No, gotta be Carly. You gotta do this kind teens, Carly. I don't even know those kind teens, Carly. It's no Hawaiian songs.
Yeah.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Oh, I know this one. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose like a light bulb. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows like a light bulb. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names like a light bulb.
Pinocchio.
They never had for Rudolph. Born in every reindeer game like Monopoly. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, no, I got it. Ho, ho.
Oh, oh, oh.
Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you drive my sleigh tonight? Then all the reindeer loved him, and they shouted out with glee.
Yippee!
Red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history like Carly. You'll go down in history. Papa, papa.
Papa. Aloha, everyone.
See you guys next week. So next week we'll do Christmas. The week after will just be like Vala'au and then potluck and all that stuff. Okay. Alrighty, bye.
Bye, everyone.
Mahalo.
Aloha.
Sayonara. Gracias. Feliz
Arigato.
Navidad. Arigato. Feliz Navidad. Carly, oof, that was rough. I cannot with you.
Adiós, gracias.
Adios, gracias.
Bye.
Bye. Mahalo, Carly.
Bye.
Erika, you can talk for a little bit after. Bye, Lindy.
Bye, Cousin Lindy.
Okay, so here you go.
Sorry, Kumu, I know you guys are probably tired. You're like, oh yeah.
No, I'm good.
Okay. Yeah, so like I've made like 40 masks.
Wow.
So I've kind of like mass produced them. But I was gonna make some more. Like I have some for you guys for just like small kind makana. But like yeah, like how many would you need to make it like a good proper like prize?
40 masks?
Well, yeah, for like family and like friends and yeah.
Well, we're just gonna give like one to each, and then I can throw in something else. I've been getting a lot of donations, so
okay,
maybe like 5 or 6 or
can.
Okay, perfect.
Should I can DM you then when they're like done and ready.
Okay, yeah, and we'll just come pick it up. It's actually easier for me to pick it up.
Yeah. I figure you might feel kind of weird about like people knowing your address and stuff too. So like if that works okay for you guys.
Oh no. Oh, we're fine. 602 ʻAʻa Street, but.
And you can come and see our Christmas lights. The whole street has Christmas. What do you want?
That's so. I feel like I'm the only one in our building who has Christmas lights. It makes me so sad.
No, it's different now. It's kind of hard now. But...
I know. I made my husband redo them 4 times. Poor man.
So in your lanai or your patio?
No, it's on our patio.
Oh.
Like that.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Yeah. So
yeah. Should be perfect then. Whenever I'm free, I mean, I'm finishing up school, so.
Yeah.
Whenever.
Okay, because yours and Student Cousin Cappy's is done, but I'll make the next one. I'll make the other like 5 or 6 this week or next week then.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
No worries. Thanks, guys. Have a happy evening.
Yeah. You too.
Bye.
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 We hope.